Update all new at 6. Amy.
Diana, as you mentioned, City Council has approved a change in the Smoke Detector Trust Fund, making it go back to the way that it used to be. Now, that means the money in that fund can only be used to purchase things like smoke detectors and other educational materials. Here's why that's important. Just last week, the president of Local 92, the firefighters union, accused the fire chief of spending that money inappropriately. Chief Santiago, however, he stood up for the use of the trust fund, and he calls the union actions a witch hunt. A change last year made that money accessible for accreditations, which included hospitality expenses associated with them. The chief says that it was just an effort to lessen the burden on the general fund. Now, those receipts show purchases of expensive steak dinners and travel expenses, and those have been called into question. During tonight's meeting, City Council had no discussion and passed the ordinance change unanimously. But during all of this, the mayor says that it is still under investigation, and she says that if there is any wrongdoing, if they find those purchases were wrong, that they will do something about it. Reporting live downtown, Amy Montgomery, 13 ABC Action News.